Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can set up a Facebook page as a beginner. Alright, so if you want to advertise on Facebook, what you need to do is you need to have a Facebook page. Alright, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how you can set up your Facebook page. Hey, this is Kamin Choo here. I help business owner and entrepreneur like you build a profitable lead generation system that generates you unlimited leads. Alright, so if you are new to my channel, consider subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video like this. You see, when it comes to Facebook, right, your personal profile is where you network with people, you get to know people, you connect, you add people as friends, you connect with people, okay, whether it's your existing friend or someone's new. But that's the purpose of doing networking. If you want to do business, okay, you need to have a Facebook page. Okay, so this video I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how you're going to set up your Facebook page. Alright, let's dive in. So this is how you set up your business page on Facebook. Alright, so when you come to your home page, you can see something like this. Alright, so if you use this is called your personal profile. Okay, so for personal profile you cannot do advertising, but if you want to do advertising you need to have a Facebook page. All right, so all you need to do to create a Facebook page, you just go to this 9 dots called menu. All right, so the time you watch this, maybe the interface is changing, but still the steps is the same, right? So what you need to do is click on menu, and then you go and find pages. All right, so this is what you need. You click on pages. Okay. So once you came here, what I want you to do is I want you to click this create a new page. Okay, so once you create a new page, okay, so here's how it looks like. Okay, so what you need to do is you put your page name. Let's say this page name is called ABC Salon. All right, so ABC Salon. Then this category, you choose which category suits your business. Let's say if you are in these salons, we call salon. So we have beauty salon, hair salon. Okay, so let's say we are in a beauty salon. You click this, and then you choose another one. You can choose nail salon. Then you can choose beauty. So you can put this. Okay, so I think maximum you can put 3 of this. Okay, so this is what you need to do. So make sure all this relate to your business. If not, Facebook is going to punish you. That's why people cannot search you, right? Okay, so here's you put a description right about your business. Okay, you can put something like ABC Salon is a Malaysia-based business. Sorry, it's not Malaysia business. Is based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay, we help over 500 plus CSTOMERS. Okay, so something like this, and you try to not to write too long. You write few sentences talking about your business. Okay, and you can write up to 255 words, but I want you to keep it short, right? You can write around hundreds of words will do. Okay, so once finished, just click on create. Okay, so after you create, here's what you need to do. You need to put your profile picture. Okay, so this profile picture is where the first thing people see on your page. Okay, so I highly recommend you put your logo. All right, for this you upload your logo. All you need to do is you click here and you go and upload your logo. All right, and then this, okay, so you can see here, right, this is where people can see your logo besides your name here. Right, so cover photo is this behind. You can see this guy and this ladies. Okay, this is cover photo. Usually this cover photo, I highly recommend you to put advertising. Let's say you have this, let's say for this fashion, this ABC salon. Okay, so they have a facial service. Okay, so for facial service, let's say they have special promotion. So you can put for first timer special promotion, facial service only 50 ringgit. Okay, so you can do something like that, or you can put a photo you and your all of your staff together. Okay, this will do as well. So depends on how you put this. What I highly recommend you to do is you can see what your competitor is doing and then you modeling after them, right? Okay, so once everything is ready, you click save. Okay, so once you create a page, okay, so I'm close. Okay, so once you create a page, what I want you to do is make sure you upload this cover photo, make sure you upload your profile photo as well, right? And what you need to do is you click on this add a button, right? So this is where you want to link to your lead magnet landing page, or you want to send them to your WhatsApp, right? These three, you don't put anything else, right? Most business owner, what they do is they put their website, and at the end, those didn't convert into their customer, right? So you can put your contact number, you can put your landing page, you can put your lead magnets. Okay, so here's what you need to do. I want you to create a post, right? So you click create a post and then you post few things. You need to make sure your new page is active before you run advertising. If not, you will facing a lot of trouble when run Facebook ads. All right, so what you need to do is I highly recommend you to create 1 to 2 posts a day until the whole week. All right, so after the first week, you can continue to post, but you don't need to post so aggressively. The first week is very important. The first week you need to post a lot, but don't over post it. I highly recommend you 2 posts a day for the next 7 days. All right, so what you need to do is and also the next thing what I want you to do is I want you to invite. Okay, you can see here invite friends to like your page. What I want you to do is I want you to invite as many friends as possible, because if not mistaken, you have more than 25% like your page, you can start create this username. Okay, so this username is where you can see up here, facebook.com/ABC salon, and you can see number here. If you want to eliminate all those number, you need a username, right? So make sure you have a username as well. Okay, so once you set up everything ready, you have your profile photo, you have the cover page, your button ready, post ready, you invite a lot of people to like your page, you change your username already. The next thing what you need to do is I want you to click more, and I want you to click edit tab. So make sure you choose the template related to your business. If you are in a service based, on default is service based, then good enough. All right. Okay, so once this is ready, I want you to click on this. You can see on the left side here, we got page settings. I want you to click page info. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to fill in as many information as possible here, because the more information you have, the more Facebook can recommend your business, right? So you fill in all the information. After fill in all of this, save it, right? So once you save it, congratulations, you have your page ready. All right, so that's how you set up a Facebook page as a beginner, right? So, all right. Hey, do you find this video is helpful? If you found this video is helpful, what I want you to do is I want you to share this video to all your friends, right? So that I can help more business owner and entrepreneur to get results, okay? And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my YouTube channel, all right? So I cannot wait to see you in the next video.